Say hello, Asinator.
Get the camera.
You want to say hello?
All I gotta say is
Sound like a baby.
so put it in my mouth.
Josh is just standing there.
Subscribe to your channel.
Okay. Thank you.
147.
I haven't posted on that one in so long.
Just
Because I have videos on there. Gabe, please.
What? What?
Please watch it, Gabe. Gabe, stop.
Sorry, Kyla. Subscribe to Green Hornet.
I told them that already.
Liar.
Nice. Okay, not nice then.
and it's that'll
Watch out, Josh. Dang, Josh. God.
Cone.
Ooh, the paper. Aw. Shut up. Ooh. That was hurt.
Oh, you're getting some good film right now.
Yeah, I am.
It should be.
I'll send it to you.
Put it on safe to release the tension on the spring.
All the cops are like shaking their heads.
Hello, Josh. Dun dun. Josh. Dun dun. Ow. Perfect. I'm getting all this on film.
Oh.
I've seen that.
Yep. Do that again, Gabe?
No.
Suck.
It's so amusing.
Why do you keep laughing after you do it then? could do some background music, Josh.
Okay. Or just some background music.
Oh my god. Right in the groin area.
You know what? Fine.
You know what he's trying for.
Yeah, not Sage. I don't think Sage does.
Microphone's over here, Josh.
Their foam round. Exactly that.
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
Not here. Slot goes to a
All the guys can't imagine how horrible that feels. Josh. Background music. Shut up. Where's the mic at? Just do your everything. And that would be Green Hornet. Okay, let's go back to the Stop it! You're making it look all distorted.
music do you have on your phone?
His name. Yes. Ooh. That was good. That was funny. That sounds wrong.
here comes the what's it called again? Gabe. Ciao.
Instead of taking a break.
No, how you shooting? Move, Gabe. Gabe, move. God. I'm right, it's sunlight.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My mother, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down,
Stop it. No.
no, I didn't.
John. Oh.
Oh, he farted.
Okay. This has been something. I don't know what to call it. Bye bye.